Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. Artificial intelligence is one of the fastest growing fields, offering exciting career opportunities across industries. But how do you break into AI? Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional looking to transition, this video will guide you through the essential skills, learning paths, and career roadmap needed to succeed in AI. In this video, you'll learn the core skills required for AI jobs, programming, math, and machine learning, the best AI courses, certifications, and learning platforms, how to build an AI portfolio with hands-on projects, different career paths, AI researcher, data scientist, ML engineer, and more. Get ready to kickstart your AI career journey with a clear roadmap and actionable steps. Artificial intelligence is highly sought after, impacting fields like healthcare, finance, automation, and entertainment. Whether you're new or experienced, starting in AI can be challenging. This guide covers the essential skills, learning path, and career roadmap to help you start a career in AI. This slide covers key areas of AI including computer vision, robotics, and automation, machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. Before diving into AI, it's essential to understand its core concepts and various subfields. This knowledge helps in choosing the right AI specialization. To become an AI professional, you need skills in mathematics, programming, data science, machine learning, deep learning, big data, and cloud computing. AI professionals need problem-solving skills, creativity, communication, and collaboration. They must think critically, design innovative models, explain concepts to non-technical stakeholders, and work with diverse teams. To excel in AI, focus on mathematics and statistics, including probability, linear algebra, and calculus. Learn Python, the most popular AI programming language. Explore data science and analysis using tools like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. In this session, we'll cover neural networks, CNNs, and RNNs. We'll experiment with TensorFlow and PyTorch, and build AI projects like image recognition and text generation. To enhance your AI skills, participate in Kaggle competitions, develop AI projects like chatbots and recommendation systems, and contribute to open-source AI projects on GitHub. To build a solid foundation in AI, start by learning the basics of supervised and unsupervised learning. Implement ML models using scikit-learn, work on small datasets, and gain experience through internships and research projects. Participate in hackathons and AI competitions to test your skills. This slide covers various roles in the AI and machine learning field, including machine learning engineer, AI research scientist, data scientist, computer vision engineer, NLP engineer, and AI product manager. AI provides numerous career paths, tailored to your expertise and interests. There are various roles and opportunities available in the field. Here are some popular online courses for machine learning. Andrew Ng's Machine Learning course on Coursera, Deep Learning Specialization on Coursera, and MIT Introduction to Deep Learning on edX. Consider AI certifications and online courses to boost your credibility. Options include Google TensorFlow Developer Certification, AWS Certified Machine Learning, Specialty, Microsoft Certified, Azure AI Engineer Associate, and IBM AI Engineering Professional Certificate. To stay updated in AI, attend conferences like NeurIPS, CVPR, and ICML. Join AI communities on LinkedIn, GitHub, and Kaggle. Follow AI influencers and researchers for the latest trends. Networking is crucial for advancing your career in AI. Engaging with AI communities keeps you updated and opens job opportunities. Breaking into the field of artificial intelligence may seem challenging, but with the right skills, learning resources, and hands-on projects, you can build a successful career in AI. Whether you're aiming to be a machine learning engineer, AI researcher, or data scientist, the opportunities in AI are limitless. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future AI insights. What part of AI interests you the most? Let us know in the comments. Explore more AI learning resources at destinlearning.com. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.